Hello everyone, hope you all are well. So today we will discuss about the interrelationship between two-port network. Before knowing this, you have to know the various types of two-port network, which is open circuit impedance Z parameter, short circuit admittance Y parameter, hybrid parameter and transmission parameter, and this is inverse hybrid parameter. So to know this, you have to go through my description section. There you will get my two-port network lecture, and after this you just go through this lecture. But if you don't go through these two-port various types of two-port network lecture, you can't understand this lecture. Okay, so before going through these, just discuss about two-port network a little bit for your help. First, myself Mr. Santanu Noskar, Assistant Professor of Electrical Department, GKCM JIS Group, and my mail ID is santanu.uit@gmail.com and santanu.noskar_gkcm@JISgroup.org. And this is my Facebook page, Being Electrify with Santanu. You can get all the lecture in my Facebook page and also in my YouTube channel. So, what is a two-port network? A two-port network, a kind of four-terminal network, or called quadrupole, is an electrical circuit or network or device with two pairs of terminal to connect to external circuit. Two terminal consist a port if currents applied to them satisfy the essential requirement known as the port condition. The electric current entering on terminal must equal the current emerging from the other terminal on the same port. The port consists, this is a port. So the port consists interfaces where the network connects to the other network. The point where signal are applied or output are taken in a two-port network. Often port 1 is considered the input port and port 2 is considered the output. The two-port network is a model which used in mathematical circuit analysis technique to isolate portion of larger circuit. A two-port network is regarded as black box, look here, with its properties specified by a matrix of numbers. This allows the response of the network to signals applied to the ports to be calculated easily without solving for all the internal voltage and current in the network. It is also allow similar circuit or device to be compared easily. For example, transistors are often regarded as two-port, characterized by the H parameter, which are listed by the manufacturer. Any linear circuit with four terminal can be regarded as a two-port network, provided that it does not contain an independent source and satisfied the port condition. Example, some two-ports network are filter, matching network, transmission line, transformer, and small signal model for transistor. Okay, so these are the two-port network. There are different type of two-port network: Z parameter, Y parameter, H parameter, ABCD parameter, G parameter. Okay, so in this picture, V1 is the voltage across port 1, I1 is the current into port 1, V2 is the voltage across port 2, I2 is the current into port 3. Okay, so these are the two-port network, and now we will discuss about the interrelationship between those two-port network. We will discuss about Z parameter, Y parameter, H parameter and T parameter. In your syllabus, G parameter is not here. Okay, so first discuss about your syllabus. So what is your syllabus? Name of the course is Electric Circuit Theory, course code PCW 301, semester 3rd, and theory class is 3-hour lectures per week, tutorial 1 hour per week, practical 2 hours per week, and this is your credit point 4+1. And about the objective, we have already discussed in my previous lecture. About this introduction portion I have already covered, coupled circuit I have already covered, Network theorem I have already covered, and this is the last lecture of two-port network, where I will discuss about the interrelationship of various type of two-ports network. So this all lecture you can get in my YouTube channel. So before starting this lecture, I want to share with you something that said by Martin Luther King Jr., that if you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to move. Keep moving forward. So always keep moving forward and always respect everybody. So first we will discuss Z parameter in terms of other parameter. Now we will discuss about Z parameter in terms of Y parameter. So as in this case we know I is equals to Y into V. All are in matrix. So I is current, Y is admittance, and V is voltage, and V is also Z into I. So V is voltage, Z is impedance, I is current. So from here we can get Z equals to Y inverse. So impedance equals to admittance, inverse admittance. So we can write Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22 equals to Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22 inverse. So this is equals to 1 by del Y, and the value of inverse means all replace their change, Y22 minus Y12 minus Y21 and Y11. So from here we can get the value of Z11. So value of Z11 is Y22 by del Y. Look here, and value of Z12 is minus Y12 by del Y, and value of Z21 is minus Y21 by del Y, and value of Z22 is Y11 by del Y, Y11 by del Y. Okay, now Z parameter in terms of T parameter. So the transmitter parameter equation 5 and 6 are V1 equals to AV2 plus B into I2, and I1 equals to CV2 plus D into I2. So rewriting the equation 6, this equation, by rewriting this in left hand side we take V2. So V2 equals to 1 by C I1 plus D by C I2. So comparing with equation 2, we can get Z21 equals to 1 by C. Look here, this is equation 2. So Z21, the value of Z21, what is equation 2? V2 equals to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. So in terms of this, Z21 equals to 1 by C and Z22 equals to D by C. Okay. Now again from equation 5, this equation, we can put the value of V2. Then V1 equals to A within bracket 1 by C I1 plus D by C I2 bracket close plus B into minus I2, which is equals to A by C I1 plus AD by C minus B I2. Now we will compare this with equation 1. Okay, so equation 1 is V1 equals to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. So look here, what is the value of Z11 then? The value of Z11 then A by C. And what is the value of Z12 then? The value of Z12 then AD by C minus B. AD by, so AD minus BC by C. So this is the whole transmission parameter value, which is del T. We get this value from matrix ADBC. So this is the value of Z12 and Z11. So now we will discuss about Z parameter in terms of H parameter. So the H parameter equation 9 and 10s are V1 equals to H11 I1 plus H12 V2 and I2 equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. So rewriting the equation 10, this equation we take V2 in left hand side. So V2 equals to minus H21 by H11 I1 plus 1 by H22 I2. So comparing with equation 2, look here, what is equation 2? V2 equals to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. So value of Z21 is minus H21 by H11, and what is the value of Z22 Z22, the value of Z22 is 1 by H22. Okay, now again from equation 9 we just put the value of V2, then V1 equals to H11 I1 plus H12 within bracket minus H21 by H22 I1 by 1 by H22 I2, that is equals to H11 minus H21 into H12 by H22 into I1 plus H12 by H22 into I2. So look here, again we compare it with equation 1, then Z11 equals to, look here, very simple, this value H11 minus H21 into H12 by H22, which is the whole value of del H parameter value, and Z12 is this H12 by H22. So this is the Z parameter in terms of other parameter. Now we will discuss Y parameters in terms of other parameter. First we will discuss about Y parameter in terms of Z parameter. We all know that in my previous slide I will describe that Y is proportional, Y equals to Z inverse. So from we can get Y11 equals to Z22 by del Z, and Y12 equals to minus Z12 del Z, and Y21 equals to minus Z21 del Z, and Y22 equals to Z11 del Z, like this. Okay, so then we will discuss about Y parameter in terms of T parameter. So the transmission parameter equation 5, 6 equals to V1 equals to AV2 plus B into minus I2, and I1 equals to CV2 plus D into minus I2. So rewriting the equation 5, this equation 5, we take I2 in left hand side, so I2 equals to minus 1 by B into V1 plus A by B into V2. So now we comparing with equation 4. So this is the equation 4. Look here, I2 equals to Y21 into V1 plus Y22 into V2. Okay, so what we get, the value of Y21 is minus 1 by B, and the value of Y22 is A by B. Okay, now again from equation 6 we just putting the value of I2, so I1 equals to CV2 plus D within bracket 1 by B V1 minus A by B V2 equals to D by B into V1 plus C minus AD by B into V2. Okay, so again comparing with equation 3. So this is the equation 3. Look here, in terms of this I11 equals to Y11 V1 and Y12 V2. So this equation also I11 base, I1 base, so I1 equals to DB by V1 plus C minus AD by B. So compare this. So here look that Y11 is the value of DB, so Y11 is DB, and Y12 is C minus AD by B, which is minus del T by B. So the value of upper part is del T minus del T. Okay, so this is the value of Y11 and Y12. So now we will compare Y parameter in terms of H parameter. So H parameter equation 9 and 10 are V1 equals to H11 I1 plus H12 V2, and I2 equals to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. So rewriting the equation 9, this equation I1, we write I1 left hand side, so I1 equals to 1 by H11 V1 minus 1 minus H12 by H11 V2. So comparing equation 3, comparing with equation 3, look here, equation 3 is same, I1 equals to Y11 V1 plus a Y12 V2, same. So Y11 equals to what, 1 by H11, and Y12 equals to minus 1 H12 by H11. Again from equation 10, so this is equation 10, we just putting the value I1 here, H21 within bracket 1 by H11 V1 minus H12 by H11 V2 plus H22 V2. After this we can write H21 by H11 V1 plus del H by H11 V2. So we can compare this equation I2 equals to this with equation 4. So equation 4, look here, I2 equals to y21 v1 plus y22 v2. So just compare this. What is the value of y21? The value of y21 is h21 by h11. And what is the value of y22? Value of y22 is del h by h11. Okay, so this is y parameter in terms of other parameter. Now we will discuss about t parameters in terms of other parameter. So t parameter in terms of z parameter we will first discuss. So z parameter equation 1 2 are v1 equals to z11 i1 plus z12 i2 and v2 equals to z21 i1 plus z22 i2. So rewriting the equation 2, we take i1 in left hand side. So i1 equals to 1 by z21 v2 plus z22 by z21 into minus i2. So comparing it with equation 6, what is equation 6? Look here, i1 equals to cv2 plus d into i2. Okay, so what is the value of c here? This value of c is this 1 by z21 and value of d is same z22 by z21. Okay, so again from equation 1 we just putting the value of i1 here. v1 equals to z11 within bracket 1 by z21 plus v2 plus z22 by z21 into minus i2 plus z12 i2. We can write z11 by z21 v2 plus z11 z22 by z21 minus z12 into minus i2. So we can compare it with equation 5. Equation 5, look here, same equation. So what is the value of a here? Value of a is z11 by z21, same. Okay, z11 by z21. And what is the value of b here? The value of b is, the whole is the matrix equation of z parameter, so del h by z21. Okay, so this is t parameter in terms of z parameter. So now t parameter in terms of y parameter, same as y parameter in terms of just opposite of y parameter in terms of t parameter. So a equals to minus y22 by y21, b equals to minus y21 1 by y21, c equals to minus del y by y21 and d equals to minus y11 by y21. Now we will discuss about t parameter in terms of h parameter. So the h parameter equation 9 and 10 are v1 equals to h11 i1 plus h12 v2 and i2 equals to h21 i1 plus h22 v2. So rewriting the equation 10, i1, we took i1 in left hand side, so i1 equals to minus h22 by h21 v2 plus minus 1 by h21 into minus i2. So comparing with equation 6, so this is equation 6, the same equation, just the value of c is this minus h22 by h21, look here, and the value of d is this minus 1 by h21. Okay, now again from equation 9 we can get, just putting the value of i1, v1 equals to h11 within bracket minus h22 by h21 into v2 plus within bracket minus h21 into I minus i2 plus h1 to v2. We can write equals to del h by h21 v2 plus within bracket minus h11 by h21 bracket close minus i2. So we can compare it with equation 5, same. The value of a is this minus del h by h21 and the value of db is same minus h11 h21. Okay, look here. So this is t parameter in terms of other parameter. After that we will discuss about h parameter in terms of other parameter. So hybrid parameter always used in transistor amplifier. So first we will discuss h parameter in terms of z parameter. So z parameter equation 1 and 2 is v1 equals to z11 i1 plus z12 i2 and v2 equals to z21 i1 plus z11 i2. So rewriting the equation 2, this equation, we take I2 in left hand side, so I2 equals to minus Z21 by Z22 I1 plus 1 by Z22 V2. Comparing with equation 10, this equation 10 same as previous all. So look here, so what is the value of H21 here? The value of H21 is minus Z21 by Z22. Look here. And what is the value of H22 here? The value of H22 is 1 by Z22. 1 by Z22. So again, from equation 1, we just put the value of I2 here. So V1 equals to finally this Z11 minus Z12 into Z21 by Z22 I1 plus Z12 by Z22 V2. Okay. So comparing with equation 9, just compare with this, Vh11 equals to this Z11 minus Z12 Z21 by Z22. This is whole del Z, okay, matrix of Z, and H12 is this Z12 by Z22. Okay, same. Now H parameter in terms of Y parameter, same as opposite of Y parameter in terms of H parameter. So H11 equals to 1 by Y11, H12 equals to minus Y12 by Y11, and H21 is Y21 by Y11, and H22 is del Y by Y11. So now we will discuss about H parameter in terms of T parameter. So T parameter equation 5 and 6 are V1 equals to A V2 plus B into I2, and I1 equals to C V2 plus D into I2. So rewriting the equation 6, this equation, we take I2 here. So I2 is 1 minus 1 by D into I1 plus C by D into V2. So now comparing with equation 10, this is equation 10. In terms of I2, I2 equals to H21 plus I1 plus H22 V2. So what is the value of H21? H21 value is minus 1 by D, and the value of H22 is C by D. Okay, now again from equation 5, so equation 5, we just put the value of I2 here. So V1 equals to here B by D into I1 plus A minus BC by D into V2. So compare this with equation 9 here. So V11 equals to H11 I1 plus H12 V2. So here H11 is what? B by D, and H12 is what? H12 is A minus BC by D, which is the matrix form of del transmission parameter. So del T by D. That's all the interrelationship in terms of other parameter. So here we discussed about the Z parameter, Y parameter, T parameter, and hybrid parameter in terms of other parameter. So now we will discuss about some reference book. The first reference book is Circuit and System by K.M. Soni, which is very good book according to my choice. This is the best book in market. And then the book is Circuit Theory, Analysis and Synthesis by Abhijit Chakraborty. This is also a very good book according to BTech and diploma engineers. The next book is Circuit Theory and Network, S.P. Ghosh and A.K. Chakraborty. This is a very simple and good book for BTech and diploma engineers. So you can follow those books, and you can go through my lecture also. So thank you. If you have any query, please comment in my comment box. I will definitely reply to your comment, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.